Hello darlings, here I come.
I am your old friend Draw So Easy Anime.
Teach you to draw marker pens. First of all, we still have to give it a quick shape. When you meet the painting you like, don't hesitate to draw it. Well, after we go through the alien, started to give him twig carved, art. After the sculpting is done, we will go to clip the hair again. Compare this bit by bit. Try to draw him accurately. Then we use needle pen to draw a line for it. I mainly use a 0.1 and 0.05 now. To cooperate. Now I say pay attention to the strength of your hands. Once that's done, we start coloring. I mainly use songs today. One, 12 skin colors plus a 72. Anim color. For the entire 84 colors. Actually enough. Then let's use the light color distance first to make a base. This skin color is really that kind of pink. Pink. Easy to use, really easy to use. Then let's go and paint the background. Layer by layer and add skin color to it. You can empty out this little nightlight spot. Then add eye volume is the same. First use light and then darken. Hair. I'm used to finding a light color to base it on first. After it was finished, it carried a little. Pink, let's go. Skin color to superimpose it. Then we go to add his heavy color to him. The hair. Light must flow out to it. Finally we layer. going to add his dark side to him one layer at a time. Use the bottom you just had when you need to overdo it. Sex to him. Smear it. Then we will go to see where it is not enough and add it to him. In short, where you feel that it is not enough, you gradually stack. Don't add it all at once. Okay, this dress, it has a bit of this reddish brown grey. Color. Then I didn't. I need to superimpose this color. Then I used a reddish brown as a primer first. After adding the whole base color, I will use another HMM grey paper. The grey of the W series is superimposed on it. Such a background color makes the whole brownish red. Then we go to add a layer to him. Angry hands are like excessive. Then draw the more obvious shadows for him. Go home. Overlay the color again. Don't bother. The more you observe, your observation ability is stronger. Then we'll use the lightest grey to add to the color of this shirt. Once the color of the shirt is added, we will go to add a second layer of heavy color to it. The most superimposed is done. I think there is no problem. We went to observe again. Is there anyone deeper than him? Add it to him if you have. Finally, let's go. Heavy color to one adjustment. The painting is done. Have you learned it?
Like and comment, don't forget to.